Hello everyone. Today I'll be going through another feature on EaseLearn AI dashboard, which is Master Any Language. Here you can go and choose the language that you want to learn. And let's say I'm a English speaking individual and I want to learn Spanish. Yeah, and I'm a beginner. Let's go here. Why do I want to learn this language? For social connection. Start learning.
Hello, Language Tutor, here to help you on your Spanish learning journey. To get started, what specific areas of Spanish would you like to focus on today? For example, would you like to work on vocabulary, grammar, or maybe just practice conversation? Also, what are your learning goals? And how do you plan to use Spanish in the future?
All right. Let's start with the very basic. I want to know all the dates and the months on the days in Spanish.
Great. Let's start with the basics of dates, months, and days in Spanish. That's a very useful place to begin. First, let's cover the days of the week. I will say each day in Spanish and then in English. Lunes, Monday. Martes, Tuesday. Miércoles, Wednesday. Jueves, Thursday. Viernes, Friday. Sábado, Saturday. Domingo, Sunday. Any of those new to you?
Yeah. How would I learn all this? Give me mnemonics or something that I can remember it by so that I can connect these English days to the Spanish days.
Great question. Mnemonic devices can be super helpful. Let's try some. For loons, think of Looney Tunes. Start your week with cartoons on Monday. Lunes, Looney Tunes, Monday. For Martes, imagine going to Mars on Tuesday. Martes, Mars, Tuesday. Miércoles is a bit tougher, but picture making mirth, joy, and laughter in the middle of the week on Wednesday. Miércoles, mirth, Wednesday. Jueves sounds a bit like huevos, which means eggs in Spanish. Imagine eating eggs on Thursday. Jueves. Huevos, Thursday. Viernes is close to Venus. Think of Venus, the goddess of love, making Friday feel special. Viernes, Venus, Friday. Sábado is like Sabbath, a day of rest similar to Saturday. Sábado, Sabbath, Saturday. And Domingo sounds like domicile. Relax at your domicile, your home on Sunday. Domingo, domicile, Sunday. Do these mnemonics help you connect the days in English to their Spanish counterparts?
Yeah, this was amazing. Like I now understand and I've connected these days to their Spanish counterparts. Thank you.
I'm glad those helped. I have to ask, how do you say thank you in Spanish? It would be a great way to keep reinforcing our learning. ¿Cómo se dice thank you en español? Sería una buena manera de seguir reforzando nuestro aprendizaje.
Mm, Gracias.
Correcto. You're doing great. Now let's move on to the months of the year. I'll say each one in Spanish, followed
Hey,
by the English
that is all for
translation.
today. Thank you so much.
De nada. You're welcome. It was a pleasure helping you with the days of the week. Would you like to continue with the months next time? Or would you prefer to explore a different topic?
We'll see that later. Thank you. So yeah, this was mastering language on EaseLearn AI's dashboard, where you can learn any language of your likes. Thank you.